Hi guys, welcome to today's episode of Becoming Her. It's a mini podcast episode, and I have Gauri here with me, who's just turned 18, and she's like the perfect person because the other day we were like having this conversation in the cafe about like just about random stuff about life, and I realized like she inspires me a lot, and I love our conversation. So I was like, you know what, we need to have a conversation like and record it, I guess. Just
Yes.
our normal conversation
Yeah.
and then record it. So yeah. Hey guys, editing Teju here. I just wanted to come on here real quick and give you guys a disclaimer that this is the first time me and Gauri have ever made a video like this. So we had no idea what we were doing and we were super nervous. And I didn't intend for the video to come out very interviewy, but that's how it did come out. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy it and not judge us too harshly. These are just some of our thoughts and opinions, and yeah, I hope you guys like the video.
Just the people, honestly.
Like the people you're
just the people in general. Like I guess as you grow up, like you realize that like the sentence that people aren't always what they seem to be.
Oh my God,
it's just
yeah.
like really, really true.
Yeah.
So that's one thing. Like, bro, like I feel like as a child, you would think society doesn't really matter, and like you would just like, like they still have their comments like really like embed into your head.
Yeah.
Like more than you think it would
Yeah,
or
as
it
like
should.
a kid.
As like a kid.
Yeah.
Because like like even you're like small, you don't really give a shit, but like there's like some comments that will still stick to you, which like I feel like that's like sometimes, bro, society doesn't know that, like don't know what they're saying, bro. They're just saying like stuff.
Do you
from
think like because of like what society says, a lot of people aren't able to become the versions of themselves that they want to be? Like, do you think that happens to you? Like, do you think
Yeah.
you're not the version of yourself you want to be because maybe of like the people around you?
I mean, I think I'd like to say I was. Like now I really don't give a shit. Like I was like a big people pleaser. I really care about what everyone
Yeah,
said.
I remember.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
I had a problem with if like even my closest friends, they would ask me to do something and I'd do it for them even if it's something that I would never do. That's because like I would think like, okay, if I didn't do this, I wouldn't like, be in this, I wouldn't
They
be
wouldn't
there. They
be
wouldn't,
friends
yeah,
with you
friends with
anymore.
me.
Yeah.
And like the same with like the society thing and everything, like, like how there's like a lot of things society tries to put
On
there.
you.
Yeah, put on you. Like I just have a problem with youth is what I would like to say. I just feel like they just have,
That's so true though.
yeah,
They
like
do, they do. Yeah.
because like
especially like this Gen Z tag.
yeah, they just
Like-
every time like if you're doing something
Oh
and
my God, you're such a Gen
yeah,
Z.
yeah, like bro, you don't even know what you're saying. I think it does impact a lot of people, but to me, I think I mean, I wouldn't say it doesn't affect me, but I think I've like, like
grown out
of it a bit. Like I think I know what to like keep in and what to just like.
That's like really good.
I
Like,
mean, like I feel like your biggest enemy is like yourself.
oh my
I'd
God,
see
that's
that.
so true.
Because like okay, like with me starting YouTube, right? I had like this like huge. I was very scared of what others would think. Like I said, and like YouTube is like a big platform where
Yeah.
a lot of people will watch you and like stuff like that. And I never really had the confidence for that. But you've always had that confidence. Like you've
Have
always,
I though?
Yeah,
Like, I
think-
feel like I did and then I didn't, and then now I'm just doing it even though I'm scared.
bro. But that's the best way to do it. I think like
Doing stuff
do
when,
it.
even
Yeah,
when you're
do it
scared.
when you're scared. Yeah,
Yeah.
like because.
Okay, yeah, you used to be a scaredy cat.
Yeah,
like,
bro, I was so
what
scared.
about like now? Like now you don't like care. You just do
Yeah,
whatever the
because bro, people will see. They'll judge you if you do it. They'll judge you if you don't do it. You have to pick like what you want to do. Like you know what I mean?
Damn, that's a crazy ass quote.
Yeah. If you guys want to do it, just do it, bro. No one will. They'll say stuff, but like they're not doing anything. So you're already a step ahead of them.
Damn, let's go. Just about like the whole thing about like becoming yourself or finding yourself. Like, what do you think about that whole thing?
I think it's like really like I think it's a big step trying to take it as like it's a big step to take as well because changing your habits like what you're doing right now, like it's 60 days, it's like really small, I guess, like it's 2 months, right?
Yeah, it's 2 months.
But like
60 days? Yeah, it's 2 months. correct.
yeah, but like if you're able to bring about even out, like you would have written like a list of things you want to change about yourself.
Yeah.
And in 60 days, like it is a short period of time as well to get like a lot of change. But if out of that, like if you have a list of 10 things, you'll get like able to do at least 3 or 4, I think you've already won. Because the initiative is the hard part. And like, yeah, I mean, yeah, even the working on it is hard, but
The first
yeah,
step
the
is
first step
harder.
is the hardest, I guess.
Yeah.
So
That makes sense.
yeah,
That totally makes
you
sense.
just like have to, just do it. Like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, what made you think that you need to like do it now?
Honestly, I feel like I realized I got tired of like the way that I was living. Like
Yeah.
I feel like you come to some point and you're just like, why am I doing this?
Yeah.
Why am I living the way that I'm living, not doing the things that I want to do? And then you just kind of have to
Yeah.
get yourself out
Yeah.
of that. And I feel like I was at that point where I was just like, I'm done. Like I'm tired of like being in my room all the time, being sad all the time, and like also like I started therapy, so it like helped me
Yeah.
like realize like, okay, I'm working on myself mentally, but I
Yeah,
also need
not
to
physically.
figure out my routines and
Yeah.
like my health,
Everything.
because everything is like
Yeah, it's
interconnected and
interconnected,
shit.
yeah.
So it's like a lot. It's hard. Like I feel like you're always gonna be keep figuring out
Yeah.
yourself, like different versions of yourself. Like who we were a couple
Yeah.
of years ago is not who we are
No.
now. Like we're completely
Yeah, it's
different
different,
people.
yeah.
Like you guys wouldn't believe it because you guys don't know us,
Yeah.
but like those of you who do
Like,
know us
yeah.
obviously might have seen it. But like Gauri and me, I
Yeah.
feel like we switched
Yeah,
our
we kind of
personalities.
switched up, yeah.
We switched our personalities because I was like so much the way
Yeah.
that she is now, and I've become so much of the way that she is, but like not in a bad way.
Yeah, not in a
completely.
bad way.
It's just
at
like
all.
you like it's so crazy how you change
Yeah,
so
change, yeah.
fast. Like you don't even realize it, and then you've changed,
Yeah.
and then you kind of like right now I didn't even realize when I changed, and I just feel like I want to change back, but
Yeah.
like obviously that's not possible.
yeah.
So I'm just stuck in this like in between stage where I'm just like I want to figure myself out, but I don't want to lose who I am.
Yeah.
So like what do you do then? Like how are you supposed to like be who you are but also become something better? Like I feel like
Yeah.
that's such a
That-
that's a
yeah.
question that runs in my mind all the time.
Yeah.
And
I mean, bro, like baby steps, like, it's still movement. Like,
yeah.
like, I feel like it's small when you say it, but when you
Mm-hmm.
actually try doing it, it's like,
A
no-
lot.
Yeah, because even if it's like drinking water, like drinking this like amount of water, or like, waking up at a certain time, or like, getting 10K steps, some 7K, like, these are all things that are like it sounds really easy on paper. Like 7K steps, like it sounds easy on paper, like 7K, okay? But like,
I don't know about that, bro. Like I can't even get down like 1,000 steps in a day. The other day I checked my health app and I had like what? Did we not check it together?
Yeah.
I had like 37. I had 37 steps. Oh my god. I lost my shit. I was
okay,
like,
I think I have like less
what?
now this time.
I was like, that is crazy.
Let's see how much I have.
37 steps in a day is basically me going to the washroom. 4,000 is normal. I feel like that's an average.
Yeah.
That's an everyday average if you're like actually moving around
Yeah.
and doing stuff.
I mean, bro, 37 is probably because you don't take your phone. Like,
No, I'm telling you, 37 is probably because I just walked to the washroom and back. Like, that's it. Not even- Okay, the hot take is, do you think anyone actually knows what they're doing, or are some people just better at pretending?
I don't think anyone really knows what they're doing. I don't know what I'm doing.
That's
to
true
be
too. I
honest.
don't think anyone knows what they're doing too.
And I feel like that's better, Like, how people say that, you need to know how life, like, is going to end up or what you're going to do. I feel like...
Do
then
people
what's-
say that?
The people say, like, I want my life figured out right now. Like, it's so
Ah,
sad.
like that. Yeah, yeah.
Like, I feel like that's like, yeah, I get it. Stressful when you don't know what's happening. But, like, also you don't know what's happening. So you're like,
Surprise!
Yeah. So, like, I
Yeah.
mean, there's like two sides to it. Obviously, like, life will come and like bomb you right when you're like
Yeah, that's
on the lowest. But also, like, you can't feel happiness unless and until you're like sad and like, down and like crying. You know what I mean?
Damn. Yeah. Okay.
Like after a lot of things, God will give you one small happy moment and then bring you back down all over again.
Yeah, but like, is that like worth it though? Like,
I mean, would you rather just be happy all the time?
I mean, would you not be happy all the time?
I mean, yeah, but you wouldn't appreciate happiness as much, would you? Like, you wouldn't appreciate, like,
Whoa. Whoa. If you pretend to be what you want to be, you would eventually become that. Like, I
mean,
feel like
fake
that's
it till you
pretty
make
good.
it, right?
Yeah, fake it till you make it. Like, I believe that.
Yeah, I think I believe that too.
But like, doesn't it like break your heart sometimes?
I mean, yeah. I mean, you know.
Like, I feel like sometimes I'm just like, okay, I need to fake it to make it, but then I remember that I'm faking it, and then I
Yeah.
just feel like, oh
Yeah, I get
shit,
it, yeah.
like what? That's like
I
crazy, right?
I mean, like, you know, there's the whole manifesting thing, right?
Do you believe in manifestation?
I'm like half and half, bro. I don't really know.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, I do believe it. Like it takes time, right? Like it,
Yeah.
you have to, like, I can't expect it to do tomorrow and get it like next month. That's
Yeah.
like it'll
Dude,
come.
though, sometimes though,
Yeah.
like when I get those reels, like,
Yeah, bro.
tomorrow's gonna be the
bro,
best day
bro.
of your
That's a
life,
lie,
man.
bro. That's a lie. Oh my god.
I
Saw
kinda get my hopes up and
my
I'm like-
entire For You page is like that before my board marks. Nothing happened.
That is crazy.
I also wrote in paper and burnt it and all. Nothing happened. So it was bit half and half. Failed physics.
That is crazy.
What,
You
they
wrote
only-
it on paper and burned
Yeah, I
it.
had to do some weird shit and burn it, bro. I don't know. I
That's
couldn't risk
crazy.
anything. You know, like those videos, if you don't send it to people, like, I sent it to everybody. It didn't
No,
work.
no, I get that. I
It
get
did
that.
not work. Don't do it. It's a waste of time. It's not gonna
Oh
work.
my god.
Just
that's
study for
like-
the exam, trust. But like, I did pass physics, so
Hey, let's
little bit it worked. But just study, you know.
Just study.
Just don't hope on that.
Yeah, I
like-
feel like even for me, I at some point I realized manifestation is just basically setting a goal and
Yeah.
then working towards
yeah,
it.
working towards it.
Literally,
Yeah, you
that's
can't
all
just like
that it-
hope. Like,
yeah, it's not just the hope.
Yeah.
Like it's just like
yeah,
setting the goal and like completely
Working for
believing
it,
that
like,
you
will and
will get there
yeah.
because you're working for
yeah,
it.
That's.
So
I mean, that works. Obviously, if you're working for it, nothing's
Yeah.
stopping you.
yeah,
So,
yeah.
but like, I'm not saying manifesting is like false. Okay, it works. Just hasn't worked for me yet.
Yet,
So
do you think that you will ever be like one version of yourself?
no, I don't think I haven't so far. So
Like, do you think you'll ever come to that point? Like, you know how when we were younger, we would always think like, okay, when I grow up, I'm going to be this
Yeah.
and I'm going to be this for the rest of my life once I'm grown up. But like, I think now that I'm like almost turning 21 now, I'm real. Stop.
that's wild, bro. Oh my god, you
You're
can drink.
18.
Yeah.
So,
That's wild too.
yeah.
My goal was to make it to 20, you know, at the,
Oh
end,
my
at the age
god,
of 16.
stop.
Because I thought I was over. My life was too. Bro, 16 years, I wanted to die, bro. Like that age was
I
too
remember.
long.
Yeah, I think I was like that too. I think
Yeah.
that's like
Yeah.
the 11th, 12th
Yeah,
grade.
bro,
shit's
that year
going
did
on.
not end. I thought it was over. I thought my like world was ending there. Wait, what was the question you asked again?
I think I forgot.
Loki, same.
That's fine.
It's okay.
Do you think like becoming her means like you need to let go of certain people? Because I feel like right now where I am at life, I feel like I might be outgrowing some people, but I still want them in my life. But at the same time, they don't match
You're like,
where I am at my life right now.
I think outgrowing people is like very like normal.
Normal, yeah. It is normal.
Yeah, like
But like,
then again, like yeah, you're just like so afraid to let go, because you know, like sometimes they're like your friends. Like it's not like you don't like them. It's just that you have probably like nothing in common, or like you just don't meet. Like there's like different scenarios that can like come up with outgrowing
your
people.
friends, yeah.
Yeah, so like it's not like I never know them, because we do like message like once in a while, just
you
checking
haven't
in.
like cut them
yeah,
off.
cut
You
them
just
off.
outgrew them
Yeah.
from like who you were before.
I think cutting people off is only like if they are genuinely like affecting your peace. Like you need to protect your peace, right? So just
Do
like
you think people can like certain people can like stop you from becoming the version of yourself
Definitely.
you want to be?
yeah.
So like how would you identify those people? Because like for me, I just genuinely see how they make me feel and like the stuff they're saying around me, the way they behave and stuff like that. And then
it's like I feel like the way they behave towards you, and like okay, so there'll be certain things that you know that what you're doing is wrong, and there'll be some people that are like that who will encourage you to do stuff like that. Like at the time you'll think, oh yeah, you know, they just want me to be happy. But true friend would never, even if it makes you hate them, they'll say it on your face. So
Damn, yeah, that's true. That's like a true friendship.
yeah,
right there,
so
yeah.
like playing again. So
Is he?
yeah, he is.
Didn't he retire?
No, I think he can play this year. This is last game. This is Messi's, Ronaldo's, and Neymar's last game.
Is it?
Yeah,
I did not know that.
yeah, it is.
I thought like, yeah, anyway, as I was saying, guys, if you think like you like listening to me and Gary, do you think we should like start like our own thing? Because I feel like it would be fun. Right now we're really awkward because I feel like this is our
It's like
first
first one,
time,
yeah.
you know, we don't know how to do it. It
Yeah.
was very interviewee
Yeah,
because
like we don't know how to start like conversation like
yeah,
that.
and also
like,
when like the topic of the podcast is like becoming her, which
Yeah.
we both are still
figuring out.
figuring out
you
our
know.
own lives. So like
Yeah.
it's not like an advice type of thing, like a self-help
Yeah.
type thing. It's just us figuring it out and talking about it. But yeah,
Yeah,
I like talking to you.
Yeah.
It's like really fun.
yeah, same.
Crochet teddy bears. Matching teddy bears for
Yes.
college. Guys, she's leaving for college soon and I don't know what I'm gonna do because she literally like grounds me whenever I come back from like a stressful like
Got you,
time
bro.
at college.
You can call me. I have a phone now.